नमस्कार साथियों, मैं डॉक्टर लोकेश भाटिया स्वागत करता हूं आपका आज के इस वीडियो में। साथियों, आज के वीडियो में जैसा कि आपने थंबनेल पे देखा ही है कि हम बात करेंगे रिलेशनशिप पे। जी हाँ साथियों, ये वीडियो और एक एडिशन है मेरी रिलेशनशिप की प्लेलिस्ट में। और जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे हैं, व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग्स वन मस्ट कंसिडर while being in relationship, I'll be talking to you about that. Stay till the last. I'm sure you will get lots of insights as I'm observing a lot of young people are connected on my YouTube channel. So for them, this is the very, very important video on relationship. If you are first time on my channel, I request you to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit on the bell icon. I talk on physical, mental, social and spiritual health. So these are the most important health dimensions which I talk about. So let's begin this video. So first thing is acceptance. Love means radical acceptance of that person. Accept all the negative things in that person. Positive things will be acceptable by anyone, everyone. But can you accept the negative things in him or her? Because by default you are full of love and you need someone in your life to whom you can give it a selfless love. Remember, relationship means giving respect, and respect means no judging, no criticism, no cynicism, and you should be able to talk and communicate freely, easily, without any manipulation. B comes bonding of friendship, and C is very, very important, and that is compassion and empathy. I've covered already these topics in my previous videos. D is be dedicated to each other, and F is for forgiving promptly and forget instantly. G stands for being grateful to the partner and the divine forces to give someone to take care of you in your thick and thins. Have a spiritual relationship and not simply the transactional relationships. This is very, very important, dear friends. The spiritual relationships will make you to have humility, will make you to build trust. How to build trust? Let me talk about this thing in this particular video. The rest all things I have spoken to you already in my previous videos. So the first thing is, every tough phase, every bounce back situation, every difficult project, every challenging situation, every person who needs help is an opportunity to earn trust. We trust people because they showed up when it wasn't convenient. We trust people because they told the truth when it was very easy to lie. We trust people because they kept a promise when they could have gotten away with breaking it. So number one is that we trust ourselves when anyone gives our 100% plus. A little more than little more is a compassion and empathy. Number two, we trust ourselves when we assume the responsibility for our choices. Number three, we trust ourselves when we were kind when we could have been rude. Number four, people trusting us and we trusting ourselves is equally important. And number five, investing in each other, time, fun, emotions and funds, etc. are all equally important. Number six is forgiving and learning of letting go. Learning the art of letting go. Don't be imprisoned by the negativity and grudges. Contemplation. Number 7 is the contemplation and strengthening the connection with divine forces. Yoga is union of Atma with Paramatma. Coming together to fill up the void within us is not a sufficient reason to be in a relationship. Relationship has to be selfless and spiritual. Divine love and spiritual love is possible only if the two individuals connecting to the higher sources. Relationship is greatest source of happiness. Always remember, dear friends, relationship is the greatest source of happiness. So, to summarize, Karma Yoga means how to live, Bhakti Yoga means how to love, and Gyan Yoga means how to let go. In a relationship, we always need introspection. Feedback and spiritual practices are very much fundamental. Finding love in imperfections, learning to respond to each other's imperfections. No individual is perfect. No relationship is perfect. But one can be resilient enough to deal with tough situations in our day-to-day life. But we can be perfectly dealing with imperfections and uplift each other. Always try to believe that people and their thoughts are subject to change. Seeking acceptance, validation, appreciation is indicative of lack of confidence. Whereas those are confident are happy to give all these things. So that's it. That's good enough for today's talk. Hope to see you soon in my next talk. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, hit on thumbs up. Make sure that you have subscribed my YouTube channel, that is Lok Talks. Thank you very much.